Industries is a leading provider of thermoformed plastic solutions worldwide. They started as a thermoformer in 1965. Since then, Brentwood's plastics knowledge has extended to them becoming experts in all aspects of the plastics manufacturing process. We had the privilege of visiting Brentwood to see what they are all about. We found that their greatest asset was their employees.
The life of a catheter kind of starts with the catheter itself. We'll go through a series of prototyping phases to get a tray that will fit like this. And we'll use anything from our 3D printer to test fit to prototype molds that are full length, something like this, that are cheaper, used out of a different material other than aluminum, just to make sure that the customer is happy with what they're going to get.
Once the mold separates, you have your finished product, you have your runner. So this is where the plastic was injected in, and then it ran through all these channels till it got to this cavity and formed the product.
Time to get ready! We even got to observe the clean room. Across the board, we found that employees love their manufacturing jobs at Brentwood.
It's an interesting job. I like working with my hands and knowing that these parts are for the good. They're all going to medical.
I love my job because I like taking a concept in my head, turning it into a reality on the computer and seeing it made in real life. Manufacturing is unique because you have so many variables that come into play, such as the design phase, the manufacturing phase, and the ultimate phase of it actually going out and being sold.
Thanks for having us.